Hi, this is Sandhya. This is a lecture about two-port network. First of all, we need to know what is two-port network. If the network having two separate ports for input and output, then the network is said to be a two-port network. Here, the network having two separate ports for input and output, then this network is said to be a two-port network. Here, some of the parameters are Z parameter, Y parameter, H parameter, ABCD parameter and inverse ABCD parameter. Remember this Z parameter is also called as impedance parameter. Y parameter is also called as admittance parameter. H parameter is also called as hybrid parameter. And remember these two, Z parameter is a reciprocal of Y parameter. This is the relation between Z parameter and Y parameter. The equation for Z parameter is Z parameter where the input voltages are represented in terms of input current and output current. Here is a parameter. So Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22. This is the equation form of Z parameter. The matrix form is Z is equal to Z1 plus Z3, 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 Z2 plus Z3. This is the matrix form of Z parameter. This is used to solve problems in two-port network. Next, Y parameter. Y parameter is also called as admittance parameter. Here, input current and output current are represented in terms of input voltage and output voltage. So Y parameter Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. Same the way the matrix form is Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2 minus Y2 minus Y2 Y2 plus Y3. This is the matrix form of Y parameter. Next, ABCD parameter and inverse ABCD parameter. In ABCD parameter, the input voltage and input current is represented in terms of output voltage and output current. Negative. So A, B, C, D. V2 is equal to V2 and I2 are represented in the form of input voltage and input current. Here small letter ABCD is used. So this is the equation form of inverse ABCD. V2 is equal to AV1 minus BI1, I2 is equal to CV1 minus DI1. Finally H parameter. Here input voltage and output current is represented in the form of input current and output voltage. Similarly H11, H12, H21, H22. This is the equation form of H parameter.